Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Monday, November the 11th, 2010. At emini Day Trader, we'd like to use the market profiles to get a good grasp on what we think the market's condition is. This is the market profile from today, and this is the one from Friday. The one in the middle here is what occurred overnight. So you can see here that we had a pretty big down day yesterday, or Friday, I should say. Market obviously tried to rally somewhat. It did not. Take out the low that was formed on Friday, did not take out the low or the high that was formed on Friday. So a more or less day of consolidation today. We also know that we had been examining the 98 level to see if the market could actually stay below it or not. We had that bit of the overnight going into Friday session that was below it. Then we had a good hunk of it on Friday, and the market closed below it. So we wanted to keep monitoring this area to see if the market could either stay above or below. And most of today's regular trading hours, which is right here, was above it, but then it closed below it. So I think this market is relatively weak. And once again, we'll look to see if the market can stay below 98 and get rejected from that price area. The next area up would be around 1202 that we're looking at for good resistance, and then at 1203. On the downside, we're really looking more or less at today's low, about 94.50. So these are really the areas of potential support, although I don't certainly consider this strong support. So resistance here at 1201, also at 1203. But this 98 area is really the area I think that we need to remain focused on, as it's an area that could end up by being the good barrier should the market hold overnight below it and then test it early in the morning and fail. We also like to take a look at the market profiles from the regular trading hours only. You can see today was an inside day with a view really to possibly get down to the 85 area. Here's a look at our software and our trades. You can see we had some short entries triggered today. I've got them marked here. These are all of the down arrows. This last one was pretty late in the day though, so no trade there. This is some long trade indications right here with the blue up arrow. So this trade was just too late to take, so this trade was not taken. This trade was not taken. It was a long trade, and we were in a red filter. These first four trades that we had, these two here, this one, and and those two. So these are the first four trades, and you can see that we had our brown patch here and our green patch here. This is really containing the market. Once it got above, then we did definitely take this long trade here, hit our first objective only. So either a break even or a loss of 3 ticks on that trade. And then this trade here filled here, did hit our first objective, and then went sideways. So unless we're really prepared to hold this for a longer period of time, more or less a scratch trade. We did have a nice couple of short trades here, right in here and right in here. The first one actually worked out to be either, depending on the fill for every one of his trading, at either a loss of 3 ticks or a break even. It was a loss of 3 ticks on ours, and the next trade came in there and had a nice drop, quickly moving 2 points in our favor, so easily hitting the first and second objective on that front. So we really only had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades that we definitely took today. So it was I think we're in a fairly volatile, mostly a day of transition, and we're going to continue to monitor 98 to 99 area. We think is good resistance, and then again up there around 1203. So that 1201 is really looking as good resistance. Also 1198, and then again up at 1203. So that's what we're really looking at heading into tomorrow. We think the market is in transition on an intraday basis, transitioning into being dominated by the sellers. It may have another bounce before it does such, but that's what we're going to be monitoring here as far as our expectation is concerned. See if we get that confirmation. Of course, if we don't, and the market continues and does rally, then if it can get above 1203, then we'll have to manage that if the market should get there, and we'll likely have a bit of a bounce from there, quite possibly up to the 1214 area. So that's really how we're looking at the market now. So thanks for taking the time to take a look at the video. You can always contact us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you again tomorrow.